Today I'm gonna be making a Brazilian cheese roll, which we call in Brazil Enroladinho de Queijo. But first, let's go for the ingredients. And the ingredients are 1 cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 egg, 1 package of active dry yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half tablespoon of salt, 4 cups of flour, and 1 egg yolk for brushing. And I'm gonna be using mozzarella slice for filling. The first thing you're gonna have to do, you're gonna mix the dry ingredients. So the flour, the dry yeast, the salt, the sugar. So just blend in the dry ingredients. Okay. Now we're gonna be adding the egg right in the middle. Mix it up. All mix in. We're gonna add the melted butter. Mix in. And we're gonna add the milk. Mix the dough with a wooden spoon first. When you get all together, we're gonna be mixing with your hands. Now let's get our hands dirty. Just mix the dough until you form a homogeneous mixture. Get a shape of a dough. Just work at the dough and I'll show you how it's gonna turn out. Now that you have got the dough all together, we're gonna let it sit. We're gonna cover and let it sit for 30 minutes and we'll be back. Half an hour has passed. Now we're gonna grab our dough, put some flour on the counter, and you just wanna roll a little bit. To make things easier, I'm gonna cut in half. Now we roll. You stretch as much as you can. Just make sure it's thin, it's not thick. And now we're gonna put our filling. Like I said, I'm gonna do cheese. But if you like cheese and ham, go ahead and put cheese and ham. Just gonna put it in the middle like this. All the way to the end. Now we're gonna fold and fold again. Squeeze nice and tight. Now I'm gonna just cut the edges. And you can do whatever size. I'm gonna use my fingers and do a 4. The size. Here you just close it up like this, and in a tray you just spray some oil and place in here. Close it out. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna preheat the oven at 350 Fahrenheit, get the egg yolk, and we're gonna brush on top because we wanna to be very nice and brown top. Now we're gonna bake for 15 minutes until it's nice and brown and crispy. And we'll be back. I let it cook for 20 minutes. It's nice, well done now. You can see the cheese melt. Look at that. Now the best part. Let's try it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, you know what to do. Click in the like button, subscribe to the channel, click in the subscribe button below. We also have a Facebook and Instagram page called Marley Recipes. Go there, like and share, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!